Welcome to the Western Championships 2025. Let's get into it. Find out who wins the championship. Will it be this guy? Probably. Stay until the end. We're right outside of the West Coast Cubing Championships. We're going to meet a lot of people. We're going to cube.
Howdy. I come with a gift.
Thank you, Matthew, for giving me this tiny cube.
Make sure you bring a judge. You will not be allowed to compete unless you have a judge.
The first event was clock, and we bought a new clock because my clock was locking up. It was a fairly easy scramble to match blocks and 2 corners already solved. Got a PB, best time ever, getting a 135. Here's my cube. I think I got like an all skip. I got a 7.76 with a meal next to me. And this was my 5x5, which also I got my best time ever. No parity. But he's still good, very good. Everybody, today we're at the West Coast Cubing Championships. This is day 2. I didn't record day 1 because there's just too much going on. I didn't get any good solves. I got all parity on both of them, and I used a terrible all parity AUG, which takes me like forever to execute. I wasn't going to make cutoff anyways. 18.6.
So, what did you decide to do in that solve? What was going on in that solve?
It was kind of a normal scramble. I had like 2 white pieces in place, and then I had this case, and then I did that one, and then I had a 3 mover at the end, and I got a ZBLS, and then I did the anti-tune, and then I got an F-burn.
Dude, that's solving on the fly, man. You're the mad scientist at 7. That's awesome.
Oh my god. It feels so good. This is the GAN 16. And then there's the Lego cube. Plastic piece of junk. And let's start by first starts. Oh my god. We were about to start day 3, 2x2 second round, OH and pyramid second round. I'm warming up for 3x3 one-handed. As good luck, I had a clock and a whale shark. This helped me get good solves, and hopefully it can help me for one-handed. Somehow I did surprisingly very well, and I got a 27, which is really, 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 really good. I got a PLL skip on that solve. I got PB single and PB average. Well, it's not expected. There was 2 blocks, and it was not that easy of a solve. Pen round 1, I'm really good at pen. 0.63, I beat Luke Garrett. Time for mirror blocks. This is my PR that probably I'll never beat. 1 minute and 5 seconds. What everybody has been waiting for, the 3x3 finals. Starting off with Brendan Denigan. He gets a 6-second solve. Dylan Miller, also really good. Max Park is going to get a 5.13, and the winner is Max Pop. For this puzzle, you have to master 43 quintillion algorithms. I'm so excited. I can't wait to come here next year, probably. It's a great time, getting lots of PRs, meeting a lot of people, getting cubes, practicing. It was really fun. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next solve. Bye.